Hi there, welcome to Focus 15 with the Spanish Grammar Guy. I'm here to help you with your Spanish grammar. Today, I'm going to look at how we form plural nouns in Spanish. It's a little bit more complicated than you might first think. Now, most nouns form their plurals in one of three ways, but as usual, there are a number of exceptions, so keep watching. So first of all, of course, you pluralize nouns by adding an S. Many singular nouns just add an S on the end to make them plural. For example, those nouns ending with a vowel that is not stressed, and there are lots of those. For example, la mesa becomes las mesas, el banco, los bancos, el huevo, los huevos, and these are very familiar to most learners. Nouns ending in a stressed e or a stressed o, and some nouns ending in a stressed a or a stressed u also can just add an s on the end. For example, el café becomes los cafés, el sofá, los sofás, el menú, los menús, el bebé, los bebés. So that's pretty straightforward. Some nouns, however, you pluralize by adding e and s, ese. So, for example, those nouns ending in a consonant other than s. For example, la flor becomes las flores. Also, nouns ending in a stressed vowel plus s. For example, inglés, el inglés becomes los ingleses. Also, you add an es to most nouns ending in a stressed u. For example, a word such as el tabú becomes los tabúes. Also, most nouns ending in a stressed i. For example, el israelí becomes los israelíes, although in this particular case it's often written as Israelis. So that is also correct in this occasion. Sometimes the noun does not change from singular to plural. It's the same spelling. For example, those nouns ending with an unstressed vowel plus the letter S. For example, la crisis is the same in the plural, las crisis. El martes is the same in the plural, los martes. And el virus is the same in the plural, los virus. Now, there are some words from different languages that are used in Spain, in the Spanish language. They're commonly used in Spain and Latin America. How are these pluralized? Usually, they're just given an S on the end of the borrowed noun. For example, one such borrowed noun might be el anorak, which becomes los anoraks, or el obi, which becomes los obis. But sometimes, more exceptions, especially when the word ends in L, N, or R, you have to add ES. For example, el bar becomes los bares. El dólar becomes los dólares. And el gol becomes los goles. El hotel becomes los hoteles. Okay, so there are a number of exceptions always, unfortunately, in the Spanish language. And what about proper names? Do we pluralize those? Well, not usually. For example, if we refer to a family name in the plural, then we would say something like Los Kennedy for the Kennedys, or Los Perez for members of the Perez family. Now, there are also some nouns in Spanish you may have noticed that already end in an S in the singular. For example, el cumpleaños. So what happens with these? Well, nothing. In the plural, they remain the same. Los cumpleaños. And if you look at these words, they're actually compound words that have a verb at the beginning of them and then a plural noun. Cumple años. Let's see if you know what these are, for example. Okay, the first one. El or los abrelatas. Yes, it's a tin opener. Abre latas. Open tins. Next one. El or los guardaespaldas. Yep, bodyguard. Guard and back. Guarda espalda. The next one. El or los lanza misiles or lanza misiles. Yep, it's a missile launcher. Okay. The next one, el or los limpia botas. Limpia from clean, botas from boots or shoes. It's a shoe shine. The next one, el or los portaaviones. Porta from to carry, aviones, aircraft, an aircraft carrier. That's correct. And the last one, la or las quita nieves. Quita nieves. Yep, quita to remove, nieves, snow, a snow remover or a snow plow. Okay, bueno. That's it for now. Please subscribe to Focus 15 with the Spanish Grammar Guy if you want more Spanish grammar tips, and see you soon. Thanks for watching.